This is NBC Nightly News with Lester Holt. Substituting tonight, Kate Snow.
Good evening. We've learned more today about why the legal case against the former head of the International Monetary Fund, Dominique Strauss-Kahn, may be falling apart. Strauss-Kahn was released from house arrest yesterday after prosecutors raised serious questions about the hotel maid who accused him of sexually assaulting her in a New York City hotel suite. NBC's Ron Allen is in Lower Manhattan tonight.
Good evening, Kate. Strauss-Kahn still faces some very serious charges of sexual assault, but it's almost as if his accuser is the one standing trial now in the court of public opinion, in the headlines every day as more new negative allegations arise about her past, and her story. And many legal experts are now saying that it will be very difficult for prosecutors to convict the former IMF chief of any kind of crime. No longer under house arrest, Dominique Strauss-Kahn and his wife left the luxury townhouse where he had been confined with no word about their destination. Friday, after leaving court free on a promise to return and with a $6 million bail and bond back in his pocket, Strauss-Kahn dined at this exclusive Manhattan restaurant, reportedly running up a $700 tab. While today, new details about what led prosecutors to question the accuser's story, a 32-year-old housekeeper at this hotel. Sources close to the investigation had already revealed she telephoned an alleged drug dealer after the incident to talk about how to profit. Now, the New York Times reports that person was her boyfriend in an Arizona jail, and she says words to the effect of, "Don't worry, this guy has a lot of money. I know what I'm doing." A conversation prosecutors reportedly just translated days ago from the woman's native African dialect.
If these allegations are true, it seems that this case is so compromised, the only thing that the DA's office should do is dismiss the indictment and get rid of the case.
It is a fact that the victim here made some mistakes, but that doesn't mean she's not a rape victim.
However, observers say the prosecutor's very public admissions that she has been untruthful about a variety of topics makes her a very difficult alleged victim to put on a witness stand.
Rape cases, people say unconsciously and consciously in their head whether or not they believe the person, and they do take into consideration people's reputations, their backgrounds.
A letter prosecutors sent to the court also reveals the woman now says she did not report the incident to a supervisor immediately, but instead proceeded to clean a nearby room, and then Strauss-Kahn's room as well. They say she admits filing false tax returns and misrepresenting her income to continue living in public housing. And there's this. Prosecutors say the woman told them an emotional story about being a victim of gang rape in her home country, and later admitted that never occurred. Legal experts say it is still possible for rape victims with dubious pasts to find justice in the criminal courts. But in this case, they say the defendant is very unlikely to accept any kind of plea deal or admit any kind of guilt. And he certainly seems to have the resources, the money, and the determination to fight hard to clear his name. Kate?
Ron Allen reporting tonight. Thank you. In the South.